Windows allows for plenty of customization to be done by the end user, but some know-how is required to get things up to snuff. There are lots of menus and options to access, and the process may seem a tad confusing for some. What if you could access everything by way of a software application? SophiApp aims to make customizing and tweaking your Windows machine much easier by offering a one-stop shop solution that could well replace the built-in control panel. This tool was conceived to make it easier for users to personalize their Windows experience, whether it is a cosmetic change, a system tweak, or a privacy setting adjustment. All of it is within arm's reach. The Privacy tab is the first tab to open upon booting up the app. From there, users can personalize Microsoft's telemetry service in a very in-depth manner. Windows data gathering can be tweaked to the most granular of levels, which would otherwise be hard to reach without the app. As for the other tabs, the granularity with which to personalize your system remains a constant. Personalization allows you to alter the overall look of your OS with everything that entails. While System offers users the ability to modify their computer's performance and its behavior, various Windows features and components can be turned on or off through a switch. Equally easy to tweak are the options nested in Security and Context menu, which allow users to handily adjust their machine's behavior in a way akin to flipping a switch. You can modify the behavior of Microsoft Defender with no risks involved, choose to enable, or disable, exploit guard network protection, detection for unwanted applications, toggle events auditing, track Windows PowerShell modules, and more. Likewise, the context menu can be altered in many ways, make it as exhaustive or as minimal as you need. Some options you may find extraneous might be essential for someone else, and the tool accommodates for that. Toggle cast to device, the share function, show or hide the edit with photos option, hide the BitLocker item when right-clicking a drive, and so on. One of the more interesting features lies in the Scheduled Tasks tab. This way, users can plan Windows cleanup operations. Unnecessary temp files and folders can be erased this way. UWP Apps permits one to uninstall Universal Windows Platform software with a click, whilst Xbox Game Bar can be disabled in the Games menu. Additionally, users can also change the behavior of their context menu in the designated tab. SophiApp aims to provide a solution that amalgamates the many Windows customizable features under one umbrella, granting the user options that their OS would hide behind countless menus. Finding many such hidden functionalities within a singular interface without any risk of harming one's machine makes the program an intriguing solution for those who wish to make their system behave in tune to their liking. See you next video, and now some music.